Hi, welcome to week 4 of COM 111. I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk to you about what will be happening this week because we are adding in a new element. When you look at your Blackboard, week 4 will be highlighted, so click on week 4. As always, there's an outline for this week, so if you click on the outline, you will see that we have our discussion for Chapter 3, the quiz for Chapter 3, and then this week we will be completing the first speaking prompt. Within this folder, you can find the handout for the speaking prompts at the bottom of the page. So when you look at the handout for the speaking prompts, you'll see that we will have 4 of these throughout the semester. These are a practice for your final speech for the class. So you will receive full credit as long as you attempt to complete this assignment. But I will give you tons and tons of feedback about how you can improve and work on your speaking skills so that by the time we get to the final speech, you are feeling ready to go and prepared. So the things that I want you to work on are an introduction. I want you to have 3 to 5 main points that you will cover, and then a conclusion. I would like you to take a minute to look at the 8 competencies that are listed at the end of the handout. This is something that we will go into more in depth when we get to the final speech for the class, but I am introducing it now, and I will give you notes and feedback based on these competencies because this is what you will be graded on in the final speech, and I want you to become familiar with it. So again, I'm not expecting you to know what these things mean. We have not gone over this yet, and that will happen later in the semester. So it's not something that you should be an expert on yet. It's just something that we are going to be practicing throughout the semester. So for this week, we're doing prompt 1. It's due by Sunday at midnight. And you have 2 choices. You can talk about significant others or supportive listening. And again, you're just choosing one of these to speak about. And it tells you which chapters to look at to help you when you are working on this prompt. Once you have practiced your speech, written out the main points that you plan on covering, and you're ready to record, you're going to record in the same manner as you did your introduction speech. So you need to record this on either your smartphone or on your computer and then upload it. My preference would be that you upload it to YouTube, but you can also upload it directly to Blackboard if you would like. Once you have your video uploaded to YouTube, you will need to share the link. So you will click on Speaking Prompt 1, and that was in the week 4 folder. You will click Create Thread. For the subject, you can put your name and Speaking Prompt 1, and then you will paste the link from YouTube right here. If you would like, you can click this the link button, which will highlight once you type something. So you can type your address, highlight it. If you click link, you can actually link it to the video that way, and that will make it a link that people can click on, but you don't have to do it that way. It's fine for me to copy and paste the link from your thread. So once you have all that done, you will click Submit, and then it will show up in the Speaking Prompt 1. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your speaking prompt, please let me know. And again, this is practice for your final speech, so I want you to give it a whirl and try it and do your best, and you will get lots and lots of feedback from me, and I'm not expecting perfection. This is your first attempt at a speech for this class. Thanks. Have a great week.